Model airplane collectors are a very diverse group of people. Today we're gonna look at some of the more fun examples. So here are the 9 model airplane collectors you will meet when joining the hobby. Now remember, it's all in good fun. Or maybe it's all in bad fun? Who knows? Number 1. The broke college student. We all know him. Heck, most of us probably were him at some point. A 20-something-year-old who barely makes enough money with his side job to support his living. But he has a huge passion for aviation. 3 meals a day? Nah, he'd rather spend his last dollar on another wretched model airplane from eBay. He cherishes his small collection of 7 models even though they have seen better days. But who cares, right? The passion and dedication is what counts. Better times will come, my guy. Number 2. The old man. Ah, here he is, the one who has been collecting models his whole life. There isn't a model he hasn't got. He's seen it all. I mean, his first model airplane is probably the Spirit of St. Louis, am I right? He isn't interested in the new models. All the nonsense of rolling gear and 3D antennas. Everything was better in his day. Yes, he might come off a bit grumpy at times, but remember, model airplanes are the only thing still bringing him joy after spending his whole life with the same woman and raising 3 children. Most of his collection is probably Aero Classics. Number 3. The All-American Collector. No, he doesn't only collect US airlines. No, he only collects from American brands. His entire collection is basically all Gemini jets. Don't even try to tell him that there are better brands like NG models out there. He will eat you and your stupid Chinese brands alive. He doesn't care if the model looks nothing like the real airplane. As long as it is from an American brand, he's happy. In his free time, he rides his Harley Davidson while wearing a Make America Great Again hat. Oh, and one more thing. Do not tell him that Gemini jets aren't actually made in the USA. He wouldn't be able to deal with that. Number 4. The Spoiled Kid. Mom, I need another model airplane! He is probably the most annoying type of collector you'll meet. You'll find him in the YouTube and Instagram comments telling you how he got yet another model this month and how amazing it is. He just won't shut up about all the models his parents got him. You know he doesn't care one bit about the quality of his models. It's quantity over quality for him. We don't want to admit it, but we're all a bit jealous of his seemingly endless collection of model airplanes financed by his parents. Wait, what's that? They're all Gemini jets? Joke's on you, buddy! Maybe try to research your models next time. Number 5. The Forum Sensei. This dude is all about doing research. He's the guy who always knows the answer. If you ever ask a question about a model online, he'll answer it within seconds. In fact, he knows all models ever produced by heart and won't stop recommend you obscure brands you have never heard of. The Forum Sensei will never brag about his collection, but you can be assured he has at least an entire room only dedicated to displaying his models. Does this guy have a wife? Number 6. The YouTuber. Here he is, the guy who wants to be like the Forum Sensei so bad. He started off making YouTube videos during the pandemic after watching a few of Aviation 18's unboxing videos. His videos are pretty badly made. Why is nobody watching my unboxings? Does nobody care about my opinion? The YouTuber tries his best to make entertaining videos, but he lacks the knowledge and experience the Forum Sensei has. In fact, he just finished building his wretched looking model airport. Maybe this will finally bring him some more viewers on YouTube. Good luck, my man. It's a steep mountain to climb. Number 7. The Lost One. This poor bastard has lost his way a long time ago. Long gone are the days of collecting models he cares about. Now he just buys everything he can get his hands on for cheap. Bro, check this sick deal, bro. Bro, it's only $20. This guy is a total sucker. Does he even display all of his models? His collection is a total mess of weird stuff he bought for a good price. There is no theme here, just the random chaos of models. Let's hope he finds the right way again, bro. Number 8. The Casual Collector. He's the most chill guy you'll ever talk to. You start a conversation with him at an aviation fair and you're instantly carried away by his charisma. He most likely works in aviation and has some great stories to tell. You didn't even know he collects model airplanes until he briefly mentioned it. Can we be friends, please? He's so perfect. Maybe I should ask him if he wants to grab a beer with me after the fair. Don't be delusional. He has a wife and friends and is way too cool to hang out with a model airplane nerd like you. Maybe you shouldn't spend all your time alone with your hobby and actually make some real life friends. Maybe that way you'll be a bit more like him one day. Number 9. The hipster. For some reason this guy isn't satisfied by collecting normal models like the rest of us. No, he is only interested in the most bizarre and weird models out there. His collection is full of sample models and customs you've never seen. We all know he's just trying to be edgy with his choices, but you gotta admit, some of his models are actually pretty cool. Maybe I should start collecting weird models too. I really want to get this space shuttle carrier he has. Wait a minute. This model sells for $300? Nope, I'll be sticking to the regular models. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for more model airplane content. Goodbye!